In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to create video within Messages app, use camera portion of your screen. Once you finish recording, video will be automatically attached to your message. So all you need to do is send it. If you want to pick already existing one, click on the same icon, and this time hold this line. Drag it up, look for your video, and once you find it, tap on it. Then hit done at the bottom right corner and send it. Now, if you want to create a voice memo that you will send instantly within Messages app, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then use microphone one. And when you finished, tap on the same middle button. Now you can listen to your voice memo. Restart it if you want to, or hit attach to attach it. You can also click on attach right away. Now, in case of adding any of existing audio files, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Then choose Files and look for yours here by tapping Audio at the top, by selecting it from one of those apps, or what most people miss, by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and picking it from one of those sources, like downloads. Either way, when you find your file, tap on it to attach it and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!